Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to CryptoJet, where today we're going to be talking about Theta coin very quickly to see what's happened in the recent times. Actually, just take a look at the price, the recent price increase and correction that has happened. One thing I want you to keep an eye out is the market cap, which is at around $10 billion at the moment. Why is the market cap important? I'll explain the concept a little bit later, but it's one of the most important things because a lot of different coins have I'll just explain it now. So a lot of different coins have different prices, but the price actually means nothing compared to the market valuation or the market cap, because you can see, for example, Bitcoin has a price of 52K, and then you can see a coin such as Theta at a price of $9, and then you can see a coin such as VeChain at a price of $0.12, but VeChain actually has a larger market capitalization than Theta does, because very simply there's more money invested into it. There is more coins in circulation than there is in Theta, hence the value is proportionally larger. So regardless of the market cap concept, I'm sure you are all well aware of it. Let's just take a moment and look at Theta from a neutral and biased perspective. What we see forming at this moment right now is somewhat of an ascending triangle formation. So we have a series of lower highs and lower lows coming from the top. Our low reached at this area of about $4, and then a series of higher highs, and now we're currently sitting with a strong bullish candle at the verge of this triangle formation. Now, something that's going in the positives of this coin actually starting to go more bullish at this point is the fact that the SMA, or 50 period moving average, is right below this area. Now, what has happened before in the past cases when the SMA was below? Well, obviously it was a start to a large uptrend, right? So we didn't hit it very perfectly a lot of times, but once we did hit it, so for example right here, it may look like nothing, but if you actually zoom in the chart, this was quite a movement, right? Now we're not going to zoom into the chart right there. You can see how much actually this coin has increased exponentially, because the price used to be half a dollar at this point, right? And at the all-time high, the price was about $16. So like a 30 times increase is pretty crazy for, well, in the cryptocurrency world, it's not really that crazy, but I'll show you something right now. So the moving average line is right below, same as it was right here, causing a bullish upturn, or let's say a correction towards the upside. Now, what do I think is going to happen with this coin? I think that there is a very high possibility that if this bullish candle right here, today's candle, closes bullish, so closes outside of this formation, especially if it closes outside of this wick right here. So if it fills up the wick and if it closes right above it, there's a very high chance we're going to continue moving bullish. Now, that continuation might not be immediate. We might see a movement like this, and then a retracement back into the line of support that could be established at this point right here. And then we're just going to see a continuation and another series of higher highs and higher lows. That looks very promising because of this bullish candle right here, but we're going to see what happens, because as we can see, we've had a bullish candle right here and then a bearish retracement. But the good part is that we are chilling at the top of this support/resistance zone around the $8-9 mark. So we were right below it. As you can see here, it's a huge period of the most intense correction of this year. So this was a correction, this was a correction. This was Elon Musk's tweet, right? Drove the prices of pretty much every single cryptocurrency down. People just took their profits and escaped. A lot of people just took their losses and escaped. And now currently the market is climbing back up very slowly, very surely. Now, I really do expect it to go bullish very soon. But in the case that it doesn't go bullish, it can very easily consolidate or perhaps bounce down, even breaking this zone of support, mind you. Finding another zone of support, let's say somewhere down here. As you can see, there was there was a lot of demand for this coin at these prices right here, $5, $6, which is why you can see all of these wick fills right here, right? So if we do see the price falling down, we may see it fall down back into this zone, retrace, hit it from the top, making it a zone of support from the bottom, and then continuing bullish or entering a consolidation area or whatever. So I would definitely wait for a retracement. I wouldn't be buying at this point. Well, obviously, if you're waiting for the long term, where the price is going to be, what, 15, 16, 17, 18, even like $50 and a $50 billion market cap at some point, Some projects really have the potential to do that. So buying in at a price 10% lower or higher doesn't make any difference in the long term, right? But if you're playing for the short term, I would definitely be looking at the 4-hour time frame, for example, waiting for a break of this zone and then a consolidation somewhere around here, so you can actually buy at a better price than where it is currently. That will be it for today. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see anything specific, or just smash that like button if you actually enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.